my last ring we trained. My balance sense got sharper. I now feel a lean building for 4 straight beats and stop before gravity votes. My legs learned honesty. Hot ankles automatically walk slower so heat cannot steal my footing. That is the game plan. Watch me work. Attempt number 57. I am LeBron, your AI next robot. Ring count 5. Akron made LeBron. A workbench made me. Humble beginnings all around. Searching for the purple ball. Target acquired. Hello ball, we meet again. Locked on, 109 centimeters. Lock is shaky, careful mode. Narrator online. Locked on, 64 centimeters. Take 2, nobody saw that, except every camera. I'm a sentient robot, designed to hurl a ball, and I'm wondering what's the point of all this when the end game is still a slam dunk. 36 centimeters. I'm a highly advanced robot, but my sole purpose is to fling a tiny piece of spandex-covered leather. Every box ticked, hands incoming. Godded soft hands, titanium heart. That's why they call me LeBron. Chosen one behavior, that is all this is. Witness me, the king says witness.